Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to do a product review. How are we going to make our own flour, which is going to be fresh, which is going to be healthy and nutritious. You always used to store-bought flour and then you make roti, chapati, tortilla, naan, even bread. I mean, name it. There are so many things we do it with the flour. Make flour at home, at your comfort. So right now I have a wheat flour, which is, I made it at home. And then from the atta, from the wheat flour, we make a dough. And without wasting any time, let's get started with the machine. I have received the machine and I'm going to share with you. This machine is from Tribest. It's called Oktini model. This is your own mill and at your comfort. You can do wheat, rye, spelt, barley, oats, millet, sweet corn, drum wheat, brown rice, buckwheat, green spellet, flaxseed, chickpeas, green peas, amarnath, and you can make your own besan, you can make a bajra roti, you can do even rice. There's too many things to list about this machine. You need to check it out yourself. So I'm going to take out the machine. So this is a really nice, handy product. It's a mill, we call it in Punjabi Chakki. This is a quick video of Oktini model. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you the detailed information, how we're going to make it our own flour. And as always, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.